outside. 36 left. Into Care long crest and 3 right. And long 6 left. Into Care turn 2 right onto tar. Into keep left and 6 right gravel, 50. 6 crest and 6 crest. Into 6 left over crest. Into 6 left over big jump. And Care long 6 right over crest and 5 left onto tar, don't cut. Into 6 left and Care 6 right, curve outside. 30 right and 6 left over crest, opens onto gravel. And 6 right into Care, 3 left tightens over crest. 50 long 2 right tightens. Into 6 right and left. 70 Care long. 100 right. 30 long 2 left, opens onto gravel. And 6 right, into 6 left. And Care 5 right over crest, 30. Long 6 left. Into very long 6 right. And Care 6 left and 5 right. Into 4 left tighten, rocks outside. And 6 right into 6 left over crest, keep in. 30, long 5 right. Into long 6 left over crest, opens and tightens. 36 right over crest, 50, 6 left over crest, keep in. 50 long 6 right, and Care long 5 left tightens, rocks outside. And 5 right. Into 6 left over crest, keep in, 50. 6 right over big jump, keep in, 50. 6 left over crest.